The purpose of today's video is to show you how you can come up with a prompt to create very similar images to what you're seeing in front of you right now. So what you have to know and understand basically is that B&W is black and white and C41 is simply color, right? So once you know that, you can then decide which particular one you want based on the characteristics that it describes here within the details section there. But to make things simpler, you can use ChatGPT and you type in, provide a list of photographic film types as well as a description of each color profile. So once you do that, it will break it down for you into black and white and also color negative. And then it provides a basic description of how it would affect the color profile, because I've stated that there, each color profile. But before we try those, I want to show you a basic rundown of the formula that I had done here. So a serene mountain landscape at sunrise. Serene is like an adjective for describing the kind of emotional feel that you want the landscape to exhibit at sunrise. So a particular time of day with his style, and then choose the Revolog Nebula film. So if we go to the Revolog Nebula film, we'll see nebulas there. Blue and green stardust effect, also limited availability in 400 ISO. So ISO means brightness basically of an image, so the more the ISO, the brighter the image will be. So it's fairly bright and it's got this blue color tone to it. And then moving on to the next image, this is a close-up 1850s portrait of a man smoking a pipe in an Alex Prager style. So where did I get Alex Prager from? So I got Alex Prager from this list. Alex Prager's there, and this is what she had created. So I wanted these kinds of colors, these kinds of tones, and so I had included the name of Alex Prager within this particular image here, and I think it's done a pretty good job. What do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. So a close-up 1850s portrait of a man smoking a pipe in an Alex Prager style, and choose the Yodiga Pegasus film. Has a rainbow effect which travels horizontally across each frame. Landscape orientation. This is not necessarily rainbowed as such, but it's unique for sure, and you'll have to test a lot of these images to get different results. That's the one thing that you need to change consistently to get you different results. So I will be including an example prompt of what generated these images down below in the description, as well as a link to this particular article here, as well as this as well, so you can experiment as you wish and see what you come up with.